Good morning. Here we are, start of week 3 of the Ultra X Wales training. Pretty productive week last week, very productive in fact, nearly back on a full week of training, although that will be this week. So we kicked off with Monday and we had a rest day. I know, start of the week a rest day. It'll become apparent from this week onwards actually. But I did go out and do a 6k walk. Tuesday then was a tempo run, as I recall. Yeah, tempo run. Followed by a rest day again, really, because I was supposed to do lower body strength training on a Wednesday, although we didn't last week because the eye still. Thursday then we saw a 9k easy run, followed by upper body strength training on Friday. So the doctor on Thursday and EO to Wednesday, and EO came me to start strength training again. Saturday out in the desert, we had just over 14k long run up to the top of Birdcage Hill 5 times, I think I did. That was good, over 500 meters of elevation, pretty productive. Sunday then, I decided I wanted to do some cross training, so I took the mountain bike out. First time the mountain bike has seen light of day in over 3 years probably, but anyway, it was good fun. I enjoyed it. I forgot how much I like cycling, which might be a bad thing. So that was yesterday. So somebody told me off the back of last week I should really sort of keep a running tally of my time on feet, if you wish, throughout the week, every week. So I've got some numbers from last week here. So walking last week was 13.06k. It was with about 2 hours 40 minutes of time. Running, I did 31.62k, and that was about 4 hours 21 of time. And then cycling, I did 18.6, which was about 57 minutes. So that was last week's figures. I think we'll put them on the screen somewhere. I don't know where, somewhere. And I'll probably keep a running tally as well. So that's week 2 only. I need to add week 1 into it, whatever that was, just to see. It's nice to. I suppose it's nice to see the increases weekly as we go through the training. So, which will be now moving into week 3. And week 3, I believe, has obviously today's my rest day. Like I said, off the back of last week, we've just done 2 days in a row, and now it's a rest day. But I'll still go out and do a walk this evening. Tomorrow, I believe, I'm going to function test my new treadmill for the first time. It's got a hilly run in the, or hill repeats, I think it is, in my training plan. Well, obviously Abu Dhabi is very flat. I'm going to do a run here. Lucky if I get 10 meters, not 5 meters of elevation, I think is the maximum I see around the streets here. So I will use the treadmill for that. It go up to about 22% incline, I think. So we'll use that for hill repeats tomorrow. I will then, Wednesday, I can start lower body strength training again. So we'll do some of that on Wednesday. Thursday, I think there's a 10k easy run in my plan. Friday, we'll be back to upper body strength training. And then we're playing with the big boys on Saturday. Saturday's long run is not only hilly, it's a 23k. Half marathon distance is my long runs now. So that's a good turning point. I've been looking forward to that point, to be fair. To my long runs being half marathon distance every week, I've been looking forward to that. And then Sunday, we'll probably get the bike back out. I didn't quite make the distance I wanted on the bike this time because it was more of a shakedown. I was looking for 20 to 30k, so we might actually go back out to Al Wathba and use the cycle track out there, because the big loop out there is 30k, I'm told. So I will probably go back out to Al Wathba 2 days running this weekend. One for walking, one for running and one for cycling. Anyway, that's it. Time to head off to the office. Have a good day.